Hey guys, I'm Lorna and I am here with my Bitsy box. Bitsy box is the box that they send you the month that your child is born. This is Orion and he was born in November, and we got the box I guess about a month ago now, and we finally have a chance to breathe and show you what we got. You want to show them your face for a second? Ah! Mom life. So the Bitsy box is what they send you the month that your child is born. It contains things that are specifically for your baby. So it's not gonna be like a water bottle for me or a headband for me or anything like that. It's gonna be specifically for the baby. I thought it was interesting, the items that they sent, and I'll show them to you, of course, because some of them I thought were strange and some of them I thought were really great. So this is the Bitsy box. One of the items just started singing to me. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Mommy must-haves. The first item we have is Poppies, and it is a teething ring, and it's kind of rubbery and also has like little suction cups on it. You can probably freeze this and it'll be nice and cold for on their teeth. We've got organic probiotic gripe water, and we've actually used something similar to this. He gets really, really bad gas, and you add this to their milk, and it's supposed to help with the gas and not make their stomachs hurt so much. I have not noticed that it actually does anything, but I'd be willing to try this to see if it makes a difference. More Bella Bee stuff. They like to send me lots of stuff from Bella Bee. Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Hypoallergenic, paraben-free, made for both mom and baby, so I guess I do get a little treat this time. Oh, okay. Ava the Elephant Singing Medicine Dispenser. I suppose that this will come in handy if you want to see this coming at your face, I guess. And it sings. The last thing, Organic Farm Buddies, eco-friendly and safe for babies. It's just a little rattle. He hasn't really started like focusing on things yet. He's still like looking at us and watching us, but he hasn't really, he's not quite to the point where like he's holding on to objects and like wants them in his mouth or anything, but I have a feeling that's pretty much around the corner. So this is the Bitsy box. A lot of interesting and useful items, I suppose. I especially like the teething toy and the rattle. Those will be really nice. Ava the Elephant is interesting. Yeah, not as exciting as getting the box that's for me, but still really nice to have. I should be getting 2 or 3 more bump boxes in the next few months. I started a few months into my pregnancy, so I will be getting 9 boxes. I think this is box number 5, so yeah, 3 more. Thank you so much for tuning in. I was very glad to introduce you to my baby. He's really amazing and awesome, and I hope to see you next time.